Hey, what it do, boos? It is your host with the most, giving you her all from coast to coast, Golden Garnet, and today I'm going to be showing you my everyday skincare routine. So let's get right into it, okay? The first thing that we're going to do is take a washcloth, wet it, and apply it all over our face. It's good to do this, it helps your skin get prepped for whatever you're going to put on your face, so I always do that. Next, we're going to take this micro delivery exfoliating wash from the Philosophy brand. I really like this product. I've been using it for quite a few years now, and it's really soft enough for everyday use, but it gets in there and cleans your face of dirt, and it helps it be so smooth. I adore this product. Then we're going to just wipe all of it off. Make sure you get it kind of everywhere, especially in your nose. I know sometimes when I'm washing my face with a washcloth, some stuff can get like just right in the beginning of my nostrils. So I make sure to get it out everywhere. And yes, scrub them eyebrows, sis. Scrub them eyebrows. Yes, I did it all for love. Oh. Next, we're going to be taking this Purity Toner, also from the Philosophy line. I absolutely love this product. The toner and the micro delivery exfoliating wash just work really well together. I used to use just one or the other, but they both work very well together. I absolutely love them. And the toner is good for not only toning your face and helping it be smooth and appear kind of blurred out, but it also is amazing at melting off makeup. It's double toner time. I'm going to be using my little DIY toner that I made with lavender, witch hazel, and green tea. I found the recipe online and I've been using it for quite a few weeks now, and I really love the improvements it's made on my skin. It seems to like fade my dark marks and make my bumps fade away quick. Now we're going to take this product from Spa Nouveau. It is the green tea cucumber gel mask. I absolutely love this stuff. It is amazing for oily skin. It really does help keep the oils, calm and not help my face be so shiny. I got this from, you're not even going to believe this, I got this from Marshalls for like $5, and I looked it up online. It's normally about, I believe, $19.99 to $25, so your girl got a what? Steal! But I absolutely love this. It works really well. And yes, I did smell it because it smells amazing. And now I'm wiping off my mask spatula with a paper towel. And as you can see, my face is all covered in the mask. So I'm going to let this sit for 10 minutes and we will be right back. Okay, boos, we are back. And now, as you can see, the mask is set into the face. And it looks like I'm just really sweaty. But now we're going to wipe this off. When I tell you, this stuff has your skin feeling so smooth after you take it off. Like, it's ridiculous how amazing this product is. And after that is all done, we're going to take a small hand towel and we're going to pat our face dry. Yes, a sister be feeling herself after she finishes her mask. Sis, stop with the finger bite. That is so 2003. But yeah, as you can see, that is my everyday skincare routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like this video, comment, like, and subscribe. And of course, click the little bell so you know when I upload a new video. And I will see you in my next one. Bye!